Today we are going to be making some yam porridge or yam pottage, and we'll need our yam which I've already washed, peeled and washed thoroughly. Yes, I have some sweet potato as well, and these are my vegetables: tomato, pepper, garlic, and onions. If you do not like garlic, kindly take it out. I have some smoked mackerel, smoked tuna, and also some dry herrings, some palm oil. You can use any amount depending on how best you like your palm oil. I added some salt, and there is some fermented fish too there. Yeah. So all I'm going to do at this stage is to cut my yam into smaller cubes. Yes, that way it cooks faster and also becomes soft. Yes. You do not want to have your yam very very hard in your pottage. Okay, you want it to really come out so soft. Yes, every bite feels very very soft. So with this, I'm just going to put this back into the bowl, and I'll make sure I repeat this same procedure until I finish everything right here. Yeah, you can cut them into any shapes you prefer, but make sure that they are in tiny cubes. They are tiny, okay? It shouldn't be very, very thick, okay? If they are thick, your cooking process might take a longer as compared to mine. Yeah, that way it's okay for that too. So this stage, I'm going to be cutting my sweet potatoes. Yeah, sweet potatoes. You can add cocoyam if you prefer that. You can add some plantains. Yeah, so I prefer some sweet potato, and I just used um two of that, and I'm okay. So you can see right here that this is the quantity we got after we cut every single thing. Okay, this quantity is just enough for myself. Yeah, this is enough. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now into a pot on fire, we are going to transfer this into a pot. Yeah, on fire, transfer it into it. You are going to use just a single pot to make all of this. You do not have to worry yourself using so many pots, just a single pot. Add some water, and with the proteins, you can use any protein of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use beef, but make sure you season your beef, okay, before using it. That way you have the taste very well on high. Yeah. I added some chopped onions for some extra flavor, and then I'm going to be putting in my vegetables, which are the tomato, onions, and also the pepper. And this is my fermented fish or momoni, as we all know it to be. You can take tomato out if you like your pepper very very hot, but for me, I want to have a feel of this softness. I don't want it to be too harsh. Okay, I don't want to be too harsh. So later we are going to be blending this garlic together with the pre-cooked onions and then the other vegetables, as you see right here. Let's cover this and leave it to simmer for a few minutes. Yeah. After some minutes of boiling, we are going to be taking out our vegetables. I just don't want the steam to cover my camera, so that's how come I'm doing that. Yeah, so you could see it clearly. Uh-huh. So the tomato right here, we are taking it and putting this into a plate. We will allow it to cool before we go ahead to blend it. Yeah, we'll let it cool down before we go ahead to blend it. So after blending it till very, very smooth, this is what we have. And next is to add our fish. You add your fish, and also with the fermented fish that already has some amount of salt in there, and also the salt we already add. Make sure you taste, and if you need any other seasoning, Maggi, anything you feel you need to elevate your flavor, your taste, just add it to it. Okay, just add it to it. When it comes to your salt and maybe some seasoning cube and all of that, you can go ahead and add that. Yeah, you can go ahead and so I'm trying to mix everything very well, and now I'm going to be covering this to boil. After a few minutes of boiling, this is what we have here. At this stage, you can use the ladle to break your yam into smaller pieces, but because we already broke everything, we cut everything into smaller pieces, we have it really really soft, and it's just okay. I do not need to break it again because some already into broke into the liquid, and it makes it very very thick already. So I do not need that. You add your palm oil, a reasonable amount you think you prefer. Leave it to simmer for few minutes and then stir it over alternatively until you achieve your desired consistency and your taste as well as the flavor. Okay, make sure everything comes out well. And now your yam pottage and potopoto or yam porridge is ready to be enjoyed. You can enjoy this with your friends, family, and loved ones. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and also subscribe. Click on the bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video. And thank you so much for watching. I would see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.